Hang all the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better.
Okay, good morning, guys. Today's Thursday. Yeah, today's Thursday. I have been up for not a while. Been up for like an hour. I figured that I'm going to add yesterday's vlog into today's vlog, merge them together because you're being annoying. I have to carry you like this. I'm making chocolate chip and strawberry. I'm making lemon blueberry and then cookies and cream. So I have, you're cold? Should I even bring you? The chocolate chip and strawberry one I made last night. So I tried out the first recipe, which I found online, but I found an easier one. So I made, they're in here. I made the one recipe that took a lot of flour, and then I made another one that I'm making right now. The lemon blueberry is a different recipe. So I'm gonna try out both of them. I'm gonna try them at my job because they have a microwave. I don't have one here. What I'm probably gonna do, if this works, I'm going to put all the flour and sugar and all the measurements into the cups, and then tomorrow morning, which is a potluck, I'm gonna go into work early and just microwave all of them. I'm going to put these in my bag so they don't spill. I didn't think this through all the way. Maybe not. Maybe not put it in the bag. These don't need to be in the bag. Why did I do this? Is this gonna stay? Please don't spill in my bag. I think everything is upright. Yeah, it should be okay. I need to put on Bear's harness. Where is your harness? Oh, thank God, because if it wasn't in here, I wouldn't know where it was. Hopefully they're not mad at me by bringing Bear. They should be okay. Okay, so that's probably not the best. I'm at work now. I want to get in and out of here because it's cold. But I need to microwave butter. Did your grandma ever tell you not to stand in front of the microwave? And mine did too. Not bad. I'm about to go to the grocery store, so I will see you guys in a second. Okay. I'm tired. So I got charger. I need a charger. I got some dry strawberries to go with the chocolate and strawberry cake. Where's the other bag? Hold on. Then I got the Oreos to go with the cookies and cream cake. I need to clean my house again. I got my Secret Santa. I thought this was so, like, I think he would think this was funny, but it says, I think he thinks this is funny. So I got I think this is beer, hopefully. I got a little bag to go with it, to go with the other gift. I went to the same grocery store where I got that sodium bicarbonate and just happened to look down the aisle somewhere and I found baking powder. So I got 2 of these. They have them all over the place. I went to another store downstairs from my apartment and they have it there too. So good to know. I got some more butter just in case I run out. So I have half a stick right now. A little bit more than half a stick, but I think I might use that all. So, and then I got blueberry jam. So yeah, I'm going to clean my house before I do anything with cooking because I can't, I can't function right now. So, that's not fun to watch. So I will come back when I am finished cleaning and decluttering my house. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, wasn't recording. I'm not sure if I recorded anything at this point, honestly, but if I didn't press record, I've just put, wow, I really don't know if I was recording or not. I put the flour in, sugar, and I just put the baking powder into all the cups. I don't know if I was recording or not. I'm not sure now. I'm not sure anymore.
On that challenge with breadsticks, you think of as just very simple, very clear. Fermentation, perfect dough, perfect crust, perfect crumb structure, how perfectly.
Last night I finished all these cups. I have 60 of them. This row right here is the cookies and cream. So I just have cookies crushed up in this one. The second flavor is lemon blueberry. I have the blueberry right here that I'm gonna put in later, but it just has lemon zest in it right now. I'm going to put lemon juice in it later too when I mix all the milk and stuff. And then the last one is strawberry and chocolate chip. So I see chocolate chips and then there's like strawberry pieces in it. Dried strawberry pieces. Yeah, I'm going to.
Where's Joe? Okay, now it's for our Christmas
Secret Santa.
Christmas Santa! Yeah! I would.
Yeah.
Joe. I feel like that's for Joe.
It's okay. It's wrapped already. It's wrapped.
Okay, I grab it.
That's right.
Okay, special!
Thank you. Cheers.
You gotta open it. Wait, Belinda, we gotta open it first. He has to open it first.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's a big contest. For your bike plane. So it doesn't get slippy.
What's this?
Oh, to cover it. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's a good. To cover the bag. Yeah.
Do you like it?
I hate it.
Okay, now this is Secret Santa is, do you know who? Do you want to know who?
I found out just a minute ago.
So who is it?
Jack. Cheers,
Wait,
Jack.
so then Jack goes next.
Wow, so big. Jack, this is from your Secret Santa.
That's is the girl included? Is she included?
Open it.
It is not. It isn't that. It's hidden blanket. There's something else inside. Oh, it's not. Hidden blanket. Yeah, I think so. Oh, maybe.
You know what it is?
A blanket? I don't know.
Hidden blanket.
No?
Do you know hidden blanket?
How do I open it? I don't think it's a heating blanket.
Pull it up.
Yeah, it is.
No, I don't think it is a heating blanket.
Is it not?
I don't think so.
Oh, just the box!
We should be doing that.
It's Jack's favourite thing. Yeah. I love cock. Bloody hell.
Chase him out and shut him up.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You know who is a Secret
I have no
Santa?
idea.
Do you want to know? We will tell you.
Who do you think it is?
Yes.
Yes.
Who thinks you're a cock?
Yeah.
Everyone thinks I'm cock. I don't know. I really don't know.
It's me. It was mine. Huh? Yeah, it's beer.
Now, so next one go to Taylor, right?
Nicely wrapped.
I know, it's so good.
Yeah. Probably Charlie, I think.
Jim Murphy's Charlie.
It's a double XL.
Big boy.
The biggest one they had. The biggest one. Oh, it's so close.
I'm not so big.
Yeah, here, yeah.
Oh, also you can go to the pen.
And then roll it up.
Yeah. So, do you like it?
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah. Do you know who is your sister?
Sophia? Your cheeks are so red. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you. So, finished all the cakes.
Which one was mine?
So it's strawberry, chocolate, cookies and cream, and then lemon and blueberry. This pork right there. Okay, so we are at we just had the vlogging. We're at bowling. We just played the Secret Santa and we did the pot roll. So. Just touch me. Touch me. Never thought as a teacher I'd be able to. Okay, so getting home. We called it an early night. We went to the bars around 5 and we're just not getting back. But I have to get up at like 9 tomorrow to get to work at 10:30. Hey, but we're not doing anything tomorrow. So I'm just gonna bring my computer in and I'm gonna watch Netflix tomorrow at work. So I'm there from 10:30 till 5:30. And then after that, I'm probably gonna go to the gym. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I'm exhausted. Okay. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.